So today our topic is multiplication. Yeah, many people's already aware of multiplications in Vedic mathematics. Yes, am I right? Yeah. So our topic is today multiplication. Okay. Swamiji was given patterns for the multiplication. The pattern name is called vertically and crosswise. Yeah, vertically and crosswise. So in Sanskrit, it is called Urdhva Triyabhyam. Okay, are you getting my point? The sutra name is called Urdhva Triyabhyam. So I will write in English, then everybody easily understand the sutra. Yeah. So the sutra name is Urdhva Triyabhyam. Okay, it is clear. Yeah.
Yes.
So this formula is one of these Vedic formula given by the Swamiji. But direct, we don't see how formula is work. We are going to see now how Swamiji was developed this formula for multiplication. This thing I am going to discuss now. Okay, let me take one example. Yeah, let me take one example. Here, for suppose I want to multiply 24 into 38. In our general schools, we are multiplying like this. 8 4s are 32, writing 2 here and 3 here. Yeah, are you getting my point? The same thing I am writing here also for our understanding. So instead of writing 3 here, I am writing directly 32 here. Okay, see the observation. Okay, so after then again I am multiplying with 2 with 8, it gives 16, and 16 added to the 3, so it gives 19. Yeah, so I am writing direct 19 here. Are you getting my point? And here also I am writing, look at now, here I am writing 2 16s. So here I am writing 16. You see the difference, that these 3 added to the 16, then only it becomes 192. Am I right? That means this will be carried over. Are you getting my point? If you write directly, so it is a unit place digit. So after then it is a 10 place digit. So when one place contain more than one digit, so extra digit will be carried over. Are you getting my point? So that is the reason it is becoming 192. Are you getting my point, everybody? Yeah. See the next step. See the next step. Yeah. So the next thing is we are multiplying with 3. 3 4s are 12. In the 12 we are writing 1 here, and we are not writing anything in the unit place digit. I am writing 2 here. So instead of writing 2, I am writing directly 12 here. Are you observing my point? And after then 2 3s are 6, so I am writing 6 plus 1, that is 7. I am writing here. So finally I am getting here 9 1 2. Yeah. So 2 3s are writing 6 here. If you see, if you add that 32, first you write 32 here, after then if you add these things, that you will getting 28. After that you have to write here 6. Am I right? It is clear to everyone? The same thing I'm writing, instead of writing here, I'm writing directly. Okay, as it is here. So after then, this is the unit place digit, this is the tens place, and this is the 100 place. Just now I said every place contain only single digit value except highest to place value. So that is the reason. That is the reason you observe here. I'm writing 2 here, and the extra number I am carrying over. So it becomes, that is carrying to the tens place. So it is become 31. So yeah, it is clear. So look at now, in the 31, I want to only 1. The extra digit is carried to the 100 place value. Then 6 plus 3, that is 9. So look at now, in the both cases, we are getting the same answer. Yeah. So see now, Swamiji, how he was developed the pattern. Look at now. Here, I'm getting 16. Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm getting here 6. That means I am multiplying these two digits. Are you getting my point? Yeah. After then see, here I am getting 16. Here I am getting 16. 16 how will come? When I am multiplying these two digits crosswisely, then only I am getting 16. So that is the reason in the second step I am doing the crosswise multiplication. Yeah. Another see, in the same tens place, in the same 10 place, another number is also there, that is 12. 12 comes when we are multiplying 3 and 4, then only we are getting 12. There are tens place digit. And another thing you have to observe here 69 12 are going to added. So that is the reason when we are doing multiple cross multiplication and vertical, those value will be added. That is the reason. And see here, after then I am getting in the unit place digit, that is 32. So here I am doing vertical multiplication. So finally it is a vertical. So finally Swamiji gave a wonderful pattern for the two digit multiplication. That is, if I suppose A and B and C and D are the unit, two digit numbers multiplication, let us assume that. So this is called a multiplicand and this is called a multiplier. So yeah, multiplicand, it is called a multiplier. So see, the same pattern, first pattern will be vertical, after then cross, and these two value will be added. Are you getting my point, everybody?
Yes.
So this, yeah, added. After then vertical. So finally my result is AC, and look at now, A, D plus CB. Look at now, and these two values are I'm adding here. That's why I'm adding here. And finally BD is my final result. But you have to observe, when I'm writing these type of values, after then balancing coming. Yes. So before going these type of problems, let us see what is the balancing, how we do balancing in Vedic mathematics is very important. So in this way, you can see the general methods and you can observe, you can develop your own patterns also. So it is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Yeah, clear?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, please interact. जो आप बात करेंगे ना, तभी मेरे को भी मजा आएगा क्लास में. Yeah. ठीक है. जो so let us see what is the meaning of balancing. Yeah. So balancing is come across when we are doing a multiplication. In the final step it is coming. So there are two types of balancing are there. We can do that right to left balancing and left to right balancing. There are two types of balancing are there. Okay. So let us see, let us assume in the previous, can you see we are getting 6 and finally 32 we are getting, and something here 29 I think
28.
so. Yeah.
28.
Yeah,
28.
28. Yeah, 28. After then look at now. So this is left to right. Okay. And another thing, yeah. And 2, 8, 32. This is right to left. Yeah, are you getting my point? The arrow indicates that way I am moving now. So see here, if you do right to left balancing, it very easy. Okay, that means first we have to drop the unit place digits in this 32. After then, what is the number is there except unit place digit? Yeah, that digit added to the tens place, so it becomes added. Yeah, so that is become a 31. So in the 31 again, how to write only unit place digit only, and the extra digit will be carried over, so it becomes 9. So this is the general balancing what we are using in general in Vedic mathematics. But let us see how to do left to right balancing. It is very important and very interesting also. Yeah. See, let us, I think so many members are familiar. Why? Because Dr. Ramesh sir जो वर्कशॉप को अटेंड हुआ है उसको familiar है concept. Yeah. Yes. See. So let us see how to do the left to right balancing. Assume that every place containing two digits. Okay, every place containing two digits. If suppose I am doing left to right Okay, then I am writing the tens place digit here and 6 will be carried forward. Yeah. So that means it is not a 6, it comes like a 60. When you are balancing from left to right, it becomes 60, not a 6. Are you getting my point? Yes. So leave this example. I will take the another example that will be very clear to you. Yeah. Let us take one example here. Suppose and 6 and 63 and 44 and 44, 48 like these are the number came. So for suppose when I am doing vertical multiplication, so I am writing 0 here and 6 carried like a 60. Are you getting my point? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes, it's clear. And I will change these numbers also. I will change it as a 0, 3 and 23. Why? Because I will go step by step. Yeah. So that's why I'm changing now. Okay. Don't bother about it. So in the second step, I'm getting 3. These 3 added to the 60, then it becomes 63. Yeah. Are you getting my point? So then it is become 63. In the 63, I am writing 6 here and the 3 will be carried as 30. It is clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah, so these 30 added to the 24, then it becomes 54. So in the 54, I'm writing 5 here and 4 as a 40. So this 40 and this 34 will be added
74.
now. Yeah. So 74. In the 74, I'm writing just 7 here and next to 4 carried as a 40. Are you getting my point? So now these 40 is added to the 28.
28,
So it becomes
68.
60. So the
Three.
last digit right as it is. So in this way, we can do the balancing from left to right. Are you getting my point? It is clear?
Yes.
Yes, it is good. Yeah. See, sometime when we are doing balancing, we are getting 3 digits also sometimes. Okay. Are you getting? Yeah. Let me take one example. Let me take one example. For suppose, suppose my values, first value will be 4. Yeah. Second value will be 17 and next value will be 34. Yeah, next value and then the next is 29 and next thing is 12. See, suppose the number came like this. In that value, I'm taking 0 and 4 as a 40. This 40 added to the 17, it is a 57. Yeah, are you getting my point? So now this 7 becomes 70. It is added to the 34. Then it becomes a 104. Yeah, are you getting my point? So in the
Yes.
104, whatever unit place digits is there, it is carried next value. So it becomes 40. I'm not writing here 40. I think you are understand. Yeah. So now this 40 plus 29 becomes 69. In the 9 will be carried next number, that is 12. If you add 12 to this 90 plus 12, it becomes 102. Are you getting my point? So final number will be, okay, it is a 102. So see, why I'm putting bracket means it is contain two digits. Yeah. So see, first number 2 and next 0. This one is added to the 6. Then it becomes 7. So in this case, I'm writing 0 and this extra number added to the 5, that becomes 6, and the final value 0 is there. So I'm writing 0. It is clear to everyone? Any question at this point? Please ask me. It is clear or not?
So why the zero near 2?
Sorry.
Why the 0 near the 2? Last right side. First we write 2.
You see, like here you can see I'm taking last two digits as it is. Yeah. Are you getting my point? But when you are adding 90 to 12, it becomes triple digit. In the triple digit, I want to write only 2 digit. What are the extra number is there that will be carried to the next place? Are you
When you're
getting my
going from
point?
left to right, we write 2 digits in the last.
Yes.
Always.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So, okay, it is clear to everyone or not? Please tell me. I will take the next problem. Same thing. Clear?
Yes, 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 yes.
Thank you. The same problem I'm taking here. Please observe carefully. Okay. So we are getting some difficulty and some students may be confused when we are getting 3 digit like this. Yeah. So we have to overcome it. Let us see how to overcome. Yeah. This is very wonderful thing. Yeah. Observe carefully. So it is a 4. Yeah. This is the only command digit, that is 4. So I'm taking 0 and 4 is carried over, and here I'm taking it is as a 57. See now. If you add 70 to 34, it become a 3 digit number. Are you getting my point? 57, in the 57, 7 adds a become 70. 70 added to the 34, it becomes a triple digit number. So that is the reason what I'm doing now. You see, I can write it as 60 minus 3. Are you getting my point? That means just you round off as a base numbers. Base numbers is not sub base numbers. Yeah, sub base number is nothing but like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, like that. So if you round up it, it become a how much? 60. So how much it is less? 3 less. So instead of writing 57, what I am doing is, so see, observe carefully. I am writing 6 here, and this minus 3 carried over as a 30. It is clear to everyone or not?
So, but is it better if we go from right to left?
Yeah. We can go anywhere, but I'm telling my intention is I'm telling there are so many methods for balancing. Okay, we have to know it. Whether which method you are using, it depends upon you only.
इसमें कंफ्यूज
Okay.
हो जाएंगे सर, ये थोड़ा
Yeah, definitely. I know it is confused. लेकिन
It's
practice करेंगे तो
confusing.
जरूरी
Right to left is only better, I feel.
Yeah, I know. लेकिन मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ there are multiple ways for balancing. That is the main thing. Yeah. So listen first. I will take only one example. I will take the examples now. Yeah, let us see. So it becomes 60. If you see, if you now add minus 30 and 34, it gives 0, 4, and 4 again I'm carrying over here. If you have 40 plus 29, it gives how much? 69. Yeah, it is 69. But look at now, if you add 69, if you carry that 9 over to 12, it becomes very big number. So I'm writing as 70 minus 1. That is, I'm writing 7 and minus 1, it will carry over here. If you add to this number, it becomes 2. So finally my answer same I am getting, that is 0, 6, 0, 7, 0, 2. Same thing I am getting. It is clear to everyone? Yeah, let me take one example. And so the same thing I will take now. So see, that is 29, 34, 24, 56, like that. So I know it is when you are, writing 2 here, it is 9 when you are adding to the 34. So it becomes 3 double 3. So I'm writing as 3, 1 bar. Yeah, that is 10. If you add 10 to here, it is 24. I'm writing take and 4 and writing 4. And 4 and that is 40 added to the 24. Then it becomes 64. And this 4 becomes 40. If you add 40 to the 56, so it is 96. So see, we can directly now writing the answer. Are you getting my point, everyone? So I think now it is easy. Yeah? Yes or no?
This
Getting
seems
my
to
point.
be better, but
Yeah, let me take another example also, not an issue. Suppose numbers are like that. So I'm writing, this is 1 bar added to this number. So it becomes how much? It becomes 25. But yeah, yes, exactly. Yes, 25 it is. But 25 it is. But already 9 if you add it is become more than, yeah. So 25 I'm writing, in this case, yeah, I will make it of like 2. Let us see. We will see. I will change it for our easiness. Okay. So it is 25. So I'm writing 5 here. If I added 76, I will make it as it 4. Yeah, see. So now 50 added to the 26, then it becomes 76. Yeah.
76.
76. 60 added to the 45, it becomes how much? The triple digit number. Yeah.
105.
So 80 I am writing and 4 will be carried over like this. Yeah.
40.
So
5.
40. So if 0, 5. Are you getting my
0,
point
5.
now?
Yes.
So in this ways also we can do the left to right balancing and right to left balancing. The both way we can do. Yes, it is clear.
Yes. Yes, sir.
ये बैलेंसिंग अच्छा है क्योंकि मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ कि समटाइम्स इन एग्जाम्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू वी हाउ टू राइट लेफ्ट टू राइट आंसर्स ओनली समटाइम्स एंड समटाइम्स वेरिफिकेशन के लिए भी ऐसा ही करना पड़ेगा वेरिफिकेशन के लिए जो अपन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में ABCD वैल्यूज होता है तभी जो 3 डिजिट इधर सेम वैल्यूज होने के चांसेस है लेकिन ये जो अनदर नंबर्स होते ना इसमें डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं तभी अपन राइट से लेफ्ट करेंगे तो बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लेगा लेकिन राइट टू लेफ्ट करें तो आसान से आंसर आ जाएगा बात क्लियर मेरा उसी कारण से मैं बोल रहा हूँ ठीक है राइट so right आप जब yeah, come to our point now yeah so now we will see 2 digit into single digit multiplication pattern yeah are you getting my point it is very easy thing I don't there is no pattern for it but let us see a into see if I am doing see this is the 1 place digit this is the 10th place digit if you multiply this number definitely you will get only 2 digit number that is 2 place you are getting so the first pattern will be if you are multiplying these 2 digit that is AC after then this AC goes to the B then it becomes BC after balancing you are getting the answer I hope everyone it is clear yeah
Yes.
yeah come to 2 digit into 2 digit multiplication so here the place values are playing very important role are you getting my point so instead of taking ABC I am taking like this tens place unit place tens place and unit place if I am taking like this okay I'm taking like this so see when we are multiplying 2 digit number that is nothing but assume that this is the 10 this is the 10 let us assume if you multiply these 2 digit is become 100 yeah that means 3 places value here coming that so that is the reason if you see the pattern is like this first thing is here 100 place we are getting after then we are getting tens place after that we are getting unit place digit yes for 100 place which digit we have to multiply that is 10 into 10 if you multiply then only we will get 100 place digit yes it is clear or not for 10 place digit you have to multiply 10 into unit place that is 10 10 into unit place that is 10 that is cross multiplication we are getting for unit place we have to multiply only unit place digits that is 1 into 1 so then only you will get ones place digit only okay so see the final step now I will take one example 1 2 4 1 if I am multiplying this value first I want 100 place value after then I want tens place value after then I want unit place value so for unit place value I want to take only unit place digits that's enough for me for tens place value I want to take tens place digit like this for 100 place value I want to take only tens place so if you multiply these values see the 100 place if you multiply I'm getting 4 here but tens place value I just now I said cross multiplication we have to do that is 1 into 1 1 and 4 into 2 is 8 we have to add them so we are getting 9 here so after then unit place value if you multiply here so that is vertical possibility only is there that is 2 so for my final answer is 492 yes are you getting
Yes.
Yes, yes.
yes जो प्लेस वैल्यू स्टूडेंट को बताना चाहिए मैम तभी सी नाउ इसमें इफ सपोज जस्ट माय क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द टेंस प्लेस डिजिट ऑफ दिस multiplication is nothing but just you have to take this combination after then if you take this combination any balancing there you can write directly okay right another thing I will discuss with you now that is very wonderful thing that is palindromic number yeah what is that called palindromic number. We can see either side. If you read this number, you will get the same answer. Yeah. Yes or no? So this is also very important in our multiplication. Yeah. So this is for only when we have multiplier and multiplicand have same digits, then only it is applicable. Otherwise, it is not applicable. So these palindromic numbers, why I'm using means how many digit we have to take, and each step these palindromic numbers are indicated. Yes, are you getting my point? So see, so far we are seeing that 34 and 29 I am taking. So this is the 2-digit content, this is the 2-digit content. Yeah. So this is the both have same number of digits. So I can use this palindromic number. So the palindromic number is nothing but 1, 2, 1. Yes. The first one is indicates we have to take the only single pair, that is 3 into 2 we have to take. So in the second two indicates we have to take these two combinations. So that is 3, 4, 2, 9 I am taking. And this palindromic one is says that the last number, what is the left here, 4, 9. In this way we have to take. See, let us take the 3-digit number for suppose 321 and the another thing is 213. Yeah, you can see here it is also containing 3 digits. This is also containing 3 digits. So my palindromic number will be 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 only. So the middle number, what is there? That is indicates the number of digits in the multiplier and the multiplicand. Here also that's same thing. So it is clear. So see, so this first one indicates I want to take 3, 2 combination. The second digit says that take 2 digits, that is 3, 2, 2, 1. I want to take. This third digit indicates take all the digit combination. Are you getting my point? And these two indicates when we are reached to the last digit, that is 3, 1, 2, 1 is the last digit. That up to that I reached now. Then we have to eliminate the highest place values. That's why if here I have only 2, so I'm taking 2, 1, 1, 3. And this final one indicates take 1, 3 combination. So it is clear to everyone or not?
Yes. Yes.
It is clear. So in this way, I will take the another 4 digit also. So what is the 4? If I multiplication and multiplier containing 4-digit number, then what is the palindromic number? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. For suppose if I take a number like this, A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S. Let's assume these are the digits. Yeah. So this one indicates A, B combination, and these 2 indicates A,
AP, PQ.
Q, and the 3 indicates 3 digit
ABC,
A,
PQV.
B, C, P, Q, and this 4 indicates A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S. See, look at now. I reached 4th digit. Yeah. And here also the number is decreased. That is 4 after it becomes a 3. So that's why highest to place values digit I have to eliminate one by one. So I'm getting 3 here. So I'm eliminating A now, or else you can see here I'm eliminating this value. So B, C, D, Q, R, S. Now I'm eliminating this value. That means that's column. So that is B, D, R, S. After then I am eliminating this one, and last number is 1. So DS. In this way, we can write the combinations by using palindromic number. So it is clear to everyone. I'm not testing how to multiply this combination. First, we want to know which combination we have to take. That is a very important thing. Yeah. Yes, are you getting my point or not? Yeah. So in this way, we can use this palindromic number for choosing the combinations of a multiplication. Yeah. Yeah. Let us see the patterns for it. Okay. I think everyone is clear for 2 into 2 digits. Am I right?
Yes.
It is clear. Yeah. So let me take one example here. That is 3, 2, 1 and 2, 4, 5. This is a 3-digit multiplication. If you see here, this is a 100 place. Yeah, this is a 100 place. This is a unit place. So tens place. This is a unit place. Yes, it is clear to everyone. If you multiply 100 into 100, it becomes 10,000. It is clear or not? Next, it is 1000. Next place value will be 100. Next value tens and units. It is clear to everyone or not? See, I want now 10,000 place, then I want to multiply 100 into 100, then only I will get the 10,000 place. Listen carefully, you are all are elders, so that's why I am I'm going to discuss the combinations, how many ways we can see the answers. Okay, I'm not depending on my own patterns, not only patterns. So place values are also very important. And here palindromic number is 1, 2, 3 and 2, 1. So in this case, I want to take 2, 3. If you see 100 into 100, 10,000, yeah? Or else you can, using this pattern, you are taking 3 and 2 also. For 1000, for the 1000, we want to multiply 100 into 10. Then only you will get, what is that? 1000 place value. This is 1000 into 10. Yeah? So that way, here combination is 3, 2, 2, 4. These two also same indicates. I want the third place. That means I have to take 3 digits here. So see, 100 into unit place, if you multiply, you are getting again 100 place value. Yes or no? Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
If you take,
Yes.
if you take 2 digit, if you take 2 digit here, that means directly we can take 2, 1, 4, 5. But why we are taking that? That is my question. Why? Because it is the tens place. So 10 into 1 unit place, if you multiply, then only you will get tens place. That is the reason I am enumerating the highest place values after exactly we reach to the 3-digit combination. So finally, this is a 1 here. So I am taking 1, 5. Why? Why we are taking? That is unit place digit. Unit place digit, when we are getting unit into unit, if you multiply, then only you are getting unit place digit. Are you getting my point? So based on all these things, Swamiji was developed this pattern. Yeah, clear? Yeah, let us see.
Yes.
So now, see, sorry, Sanapuri ji. Yeah, okay, thank you. See, so it is a, here we want to multiply vertical, that is 3 2s are 6. Yeah, it is clear. So look at now, vertical and vertical. We already familiar this one. That is 3 4s are 12 plus 4. Yeah. Let us see
Same.
first step by step. After then we can write directly. Yeah. So see, this is now third digit into first digit, third digit into first digit, and second digit multiplication. It is clear to everyone? When we are getting three-digit number, so we have to multiply 100 into ones, 100, 100 into ones, 100, 10 into 10, 100. Then only I will get 100 base digit here. Are you getting my point? So that is 15 plus 2 plus
8.
so here we are getting 25.
5.
So now here tens place value. This is here see 2, 1, 4, 5. This is 2 is 10. 10 into 1, 10. 10 into 1, 10. So that's why it is cross multiplication. So I am doing here cross multiplication. So 10 plus 4, that is 14. And the finally unit place digit, that becomes 5. So I'm getting 6, 16, 25, 14 and 5. If you balancing from right to left, first writing 5, in the writing 4, and the extra number carried over, it is become 26. How much it will become? 26. In the 26, I want only 6, and these two carried over, and that is added to the 16. The 16 becomes 18. So it becomes how much?
8.
8, and 1 is carried over. If you add 1 to here,
7.
it becomes 7. So this is my final answer. Yeah? Are you getting? Yes or no?
Yes.
This pattern clear to everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Let us see how to do in the single step. So when we are doing a single step, palindromic numbers are very, very, very useful. Okay, it's are very, very useful. First step I want to take from, let us come to right to left. First I'm taking this value, yeah. So that is vertical. Only one value I'm taking, that is 5 I'm writing. After then I want to take 2 digits. So see, 10 plus 4, that is 14. I'm writing 4 here, and this number will be carried over number. That's why I'm writing below the 4. After that, if we have to take 3-digit number combination. So 3 digit, that is 15 plus 2 plus 8, that is 25. But already 1 is there, so it becomes 26. I'm writing 6 here and 2 here. Why? Because it's carried over number. So after then we have to take 2 digits. So that is this combination, that only. So 12 plus 4, so that is 14, sorry, 16. 16 plus 2, that is 18. I'm writing 8 here and 1 here. The final one will be indicates 3 into 2 multiplication. So that is 6, and this one will be 7. In the single step, we are getting the answer. So it is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone, it is clear. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, please try these 2 examples. Please try these 2 examples. And the thing is, another thing is, the every palindromic number, look at now, unit place, tens place, thousands place, sorry, unit place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 place, it indicates. You have to remember that. Okay. So make it count each and every point. It is very helpful to everyone to develop their own content.
Maybe
377
37788.
So what is the answer?
yes.
First one is
37788.
and
Yeah.
second one is 37275.
Yeah, you can comment in chat box, then I will. Yeah, double.
37788. 37788.
Everybody getting the same thing.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, Sanapuri also getting the same answer. Very good.
21, 26, 52, 10, 13, 17, 20, 22, 14, 17, 37275.
37275. So everybody getting the same thing.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, yeah. So let us move on to 4-digit number. 4-digit into 4-digit. Yeah. Let us take 4-digit into 4-digit. So I'm not going to discuss with you the pattern, how it is the 4-digit into 4-digit, but I will write the place values. That is, the 4-digit contain up to 1000. Yeah. So that is 1000, 100, tens and units. Again, thousands and hundreds and tens and unit. Yeah. Are you getting my point? So if you multiply 1000 into 1000, so it becomes how much? 10 lakhs.
Lakhs,
Yeah?
10 lakhs.
Yeah, 10 lakhs. I'm writing 10L. Next L position, next 10,000 position, next after then 1000 position, after then 100 position, after then tens position, after then unit position. In this way, we are getting the solution. So you can now generate. You can also now you can find your own pattern for this. Look at now. If you multiply 1000 into 1000, then only you will get 10 lakhs. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. See, the next thing is here I want lakh. Yes. I want like this is the 10,000.
Into
It is the 100. So this
lakh.
combination 100. This is the only combination. Then only we are getting lakh. Am I right? Yes or no? Next thing
Yes,
is
sir.
I want only 10,000. Already it is 10,000. Yeah, am I right? Yeah. Sorry, it is a
Thousand.
it is a
Thousand.
1,000. Yeah, it is a 1,000. Yeah. So
Thousand.
if you multiply this 1,000 into 10, then only you will getting 10,000. Yes. So if you multiply this into this, you are getting 10,000. If you are multiply this into this, you are getting 10,000, and 100 into 100, if you multiply, you are getting 10,000. So these three combination are added and written in the place of 10,000. It is clear. So come to 100. Sorry, come to 1,000. For 1,000, see, I am erasing all these things. Yeah. For the 1,000, see, 1,000 into unit place digit, if you multiply, then only you are getting 1,000 values. It is clear to everyone or not? There are
Yes.
two possibilities getting. Here 100 into 10s, if you multiply, then only you are getting 1,000. In this case, sorry, you are getting 1,000. So
1,000
in the
into
1,000 place value, we have 4 combinations. That is, yes, I mean 4 cross wise. That is cross into cross. Yes, it is clear to everyone.
yes.
Yeah, I will remove it. See now, I want now 100 place. So when I am writing 100 place, I
1,000
don't
into
want
units.
to take 1,000. Yes, I don't want to take 1,000. Yes, yes or no?
Yes.
Why? Because it already is greater than the 100.
Yes.
So that's why I'm taking 100 into ones, 100 into ones, 10 into 10.
Into
I will get 100 place values numbers. Yes, are you getting?
yes. Are you getting?
Yeah.
Yes.
So, yeah, now see, I want only 10's place. So 10 into 1, 10 into 1. I don't want 100. If you take the 100 combination, it more than the 10. So it is not possible here. So that's why 10 into 1, 10 into 1.
10
This is
into
the
1.
only combination I am taking. For unit place digit, I want to take ones place. So you see, you can observe now. By using this way, we can generate for any combination or not without my guidance. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, we can develop anything, but we have to know how we patterns coming from the general method. That is a very important thing. Can I take one example for it?
Yes.
Yeah. So I will write general pattern for it also. That's very important thing here. Yeah, I'm taking like A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S. You observe here. Multiplicand and multiply having the same digit. So I can use the palindromic number. Yeah. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1.
3, 2,
Yes.
1.
AP, the first combination. Here vertical only
A, B,
possible.
P,
Next,
Q.
A, B, P, Q.
P, Q.
Here, yeah, here cross
A,
is
B,
possible.
C.
Then
A,
A,
B,
B,
C.
C, and
P,
P,
Q, R.
Q, R. Here
R.
cross and possible. If you forgot it, this combination, then remember which place value it is. Then only you are getting the pattern. You have to make it count that point. So A, B, C, D,
D, P, Q,
Q,
R, S.
R, S. Why? Because it is the fourth place value. So C,
B, C, D.
cross and cross. Yeah. So next I
Yeah.
want to take only 3 places. That is B,
B,
C,
C, D.
Q,
D,
R. If you
R,
forgot
yes.
it, a child's may be forgotten which combination I have to take. So when we say like this, when we are reaching to the unit place digit, then eliminate one highest place values. So cross multiplication is possible. After 3, I want to take 2 digits. That is C, D, R, S.
R, yes. Last
This is
one
a
is
cross
DS.
multiplication, and DS, this is a vertical. So this is the 4 into 4 pattern. Yeah. See, in the you observe here, when we are multiplying 3 into 3 digit up to this point, we are getting the same. Yes, this is a new thing we are getting when we are doing 4 into 4 multiplication. In the same way, up to this point, in the 5 into 5 digit, if you are multiply up to this point, it is remains same. The new pattern will
Yes.
become at the position of 5.
Hmm.
Yes, at the position of
Yes,
5. That
yes.
is the
1, 2, 3,
polygram 1,
4, 5.
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5, 4, 3,
4,
2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
This is already known.
Hmm.
This is known the pattern. This is the known.
Yes.
This is all known. Just know this is. So this will be the new pattern we are getting in the 5 into 5 multiplication. Yeah. So let us take generally A, B, C, D,
D, E.
P, Q, R, S, T. I'm talking about this place value number. I'm talking about. Yeah. See. Let us see now. This ones, tens, hundreds, 10,000. Sorry, thousand. It is a 10,000.
10th.
But see, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, it is a 10,000. Yeah. So I want 10,000 position. This 10,000 value must be multiplied with unit. Yes. Then only I am getting 1,000. Otherwise I will not get. The pattern, see how I am developing. 10,000.
Yes.
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 See, 1,000 into 10 also 10,000. 1,000 into 10 also 10,000. Yes.
Yes.
And here 100 into 100 also 10,000. So this is the pattern for 5 into 5. Don't be confused. जो बच्चे के बताने के लिए तरीका अदर अलग होता है, लेकिन अपन को पता होना चाहिए ना पैटर्न कैसा डेवलप हुआ की इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है ना.
Yes.
या उसी कारण से मैं इसी तरह टीच कर रहा था ये वर्कशॉप में. So can I erase the white? I mean this page.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Right. So let's take one simple example. Yeah. So it may be very useful to us. I will take 5, 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 6. So I'm taking this example. Please try by using that pattern. Yeah. Somebody asking the question. Yeah. You can try it in a single step or you can use multiple steps also. It depends upon you. If you not understand what is that pattern, then you do step by step. If you understand the pattern in mentally, then you can write the answer directly also. It depends upon you. Okay. Yeah, somebody already gave the answer. Yeah. What is that?
1119476.
Yeah. 11194776.
13
Yes.
23
Everyone
24.
getting the same thing? Yes or no? I want to see the chart. Yeah, Sanapuri, you are correct.
32
Geeta ma'am, you also correct.
38 42
So,
15 17
yeah, Priyanka, yes, you are right, Priyanka.
9.
So in this way, I hope you can generate for any pattern for any number. Yes. Can I take multiplicand and multiply how different digits? Then what we have to do? That is a very important thing, and that also very useful for our algebraical multiplications also. Yeah. So anybody have any doubts? Please ask me now. Alekia Jain, Neeta ma'am, Rajamani sir, Vivo, Ashish.
Yes, sir.
Sir, anybody have any doubt? Please ask. Sanapuri, Rajkumar sir, Shubha Priya ma'am.
19.
Any doubts?
Till now, no doubt, sir.
Yeah. Why? Because already it is a familiar topic to everybody. Yeah.
17 17 8.
Yeah. So, so far we seen the patterns for the multiplication and multiple having the same digit. Am I right? So let us see how to apply this pattern for the algebraic. Okay, I'm talking about now algebraic multiplication. So the advantage of algebraic multiplication is there is a no carry part in this case. Yeah. Let me take one example. This is very easy when you compare with numbers. For suppose 2x plus 3, yeah, and 3x minus 2 or plus 2 if you take. Yeah, let us see. I'm writing 2x and 3x. I'm giving the space between them. Yeah, and 3x plus 2. I'm writing like this. So see, it is look like a 2 digit into 2 digits form. Yes or no? So now the first step is the palindromic number is 1 to 1. The first step you have to take only one combination, one digit combination, that is this we have to multiply. Yeah. So that is 6x square. The next thing we have to take two digit combination. So that's why we have to multiply these two things. Are you getting my point? So that is 4 and 9. That is 13x. And the final step is only one number combination, that will be 6. So it is clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. If you take the same thing for 3 digits also, okay, x square plus 2x minus 3. So that is 3x square plus x minus 2 and x square plus 2x minus 3. So it is a 3 digit 3 number combination. The palindromic number is 1 2 3 2 1. Yeah. The first thing we have to take single digit combination, that is this only. That's vertical multiplication. So that is 3. How many x squares are there? Totally x's are 4 here. So I am writing x power 4. Yeah. The next time, the next digit combination, how many numbers we have to take? 2 digits. So that is 6 plus 1. So that is 7 x power 3. Yeah. And the next thing is 3 digit combination. So 3 digit combination, you observe here, this is the minus 9 and this is the minus 2 and this is the positive 2. So finally I'm getting minus 9x. Clear it is? The same pattern I'm
The
using in
9x square.
algebraic multiplication. Yeah, 9x square, yes. 9x square. And the next thing is I want to take 2 digit combination. So that is minus 3 and minus 4. That is minus 7x. The final combination is minus 2 into minus 3. So it will be
Plus.
plus 6. So this will be the my answer. So मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि the same patterns अपन algebra को भी use कर सकते हैं same तरीका में. Clear है pattern?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So example चाहिए, मैं next topic को continue करूँ?
And continue.
Yeah, वो better है. Sanapuri clear है concept? Sanapuri and Lohar. Yeah, see. अब करेंगे. For suppose 100 place is there, 10 place is there, and unit place is there. I want to multiply this value with tens and unit place digit. Yes. If see now, observe carefully. So the highest place value of multiplicand is 100 and multiplier is 10. If you multiply these two value, how much it is become? 100 into
10,000.
that is 10,000.
1,000.
Sorry. Yeah, 1,000. So it is a 1000 place value. Yes. This is hundreds, tens, unit. So see now, observe carefully. Already so many members in this group, they know how we are doing. Suppose multiplication and multiplier don't have same digit. The pattern they know. But let us see how to do it. Without knowing also we can generate that pattern. So see, I want 1000 here. I'm writing here 100 for our clarity. I'm 100. It is a 10. It is a 1. So it is a 10. It is a 1. So here I want 1000. So this combination only I want to take. Yes, it is clear to everyone. So H T U T U. The first step will be this. It is clear to everyone. See, the next value will be 100 here. The next value will be 100. The place value is 100. In the 100, see, if you want to multiply 100 into 1s, then only you will getting 100. And 10 into 10, if you multiply, then only you are getting 100. So the next pattern will be this and this. It is clear to everyone? And next 100 tens units. So this is our tens place digit values for this. So I am doing direct this multiplication, and the final step will be unit multiplication. It is clear to everyone or not?
Yes.
Clear, everyone? Please tell me. So let us take another combination also. So for suppose if I am taking the combination like this for the 10,000, yeah, and after 10,000, 100, tens and units. I'm taking 100, tens and units. Yes, this is a 10,000, or yeah, this is a 10,000, and this is a 1,000. Yes, this is a 100, and this is a 10, and this is the ones, hundreds, tens, and ones. See. So if you multiply these two values, it becomes how much? It is a
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs. So this is the 10 lakhs, and it is a lakh, and this is a
10,000.
10,000. After 10,000, after 100, and the tens and
10.
units.
Yes.
So see, the first case for 10,000, we have to multiply this combination only. Yes or no? It is clear. Yeah. So for lakh, how many zeros contains? 5 zeros contains.
5.
Already it is contain 4 zeros. The next step will be this only. But if you multiply this combination, then also you are getting, I mean, lakh. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. After then see, if you multiply, you want 10,000. 10,000 into 1 also we can do. Yes. And 10,000, for 10,000, you can multiply this also. Yeah, I will erase this. Yeah, see. Okay, it is clear. Oh, see. For 10,000 I want. So I want to multiply 10 into 10. Yes. It is clear. And this value also I multiply. No, don't confuse. First understand the pattern, why we are multiplying like that. After that, I will tell you how to remember it in easy manner. First listen carefully. So next value will be 1,000. Yes, 1,000. See the 1,000. For the 1,000 values, I want to multiply this value into this value, and this value into this value, and this value into this value. Then only I am getting 1,000 values. It is clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. After then 100 values I want. 100 values I want. That means this is the
HU.
3 into 3.
HU.
So when we are getting
Okay.
3 into 3, so next pattern will be 2 and after the pattern will be 1. So in this way you can generate the pattern. Okay, you can generate the pattern. So let us see how to remember these patterns in easy manner. Okay, so I will take A, B, C and X, Y in this case. Yes, and A, B, C, D, X, Y I am taking in this case, and A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z I am taking in this case. Yes, it is clear. So this type of multiplication, let us see how to generate pattern for it. Though in the first every case, this will be the step. Whatever number it is there, the first step will be this only. Right. So focus on this A. Focus on this A. Every time we have to focus on this only. Okay. So what happened? The first A reached to X. The first A reached to X. AX. Okay, fine. The next A going to the Y. The next A going to the Y. It's going to the Y.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir. आ रहा है.
Yeah, your voice is not clear. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Charan sir. Hello.
I guess he has muted himself for some reason.
Okay. Now I'm here. Now I'm audible to you.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, A, B, and X, Y.
Sir, please give example in numbers.
Yeah, definitely I will give. Before, yeah, I will give. Definitely I will give. But you have to first know the pattern, then only I will give the example. That is very important thing here. Yeah, this is 10, this is 1. Yeah, look at now. So 10 in 1000 value. First 1000 value, I want to multiply 1000. Next 100 value, for the 100 value, 100 into 1s and 10 into 10. Now it getting? Now it is clear or not? For now, the next step, I
Sir,
want 10
not
space.
able to-
Sorry.
Sir, in this pattern we are not clear. Please give in numbers.
Okay. So 2, 3, 1, 4, and 5. First, I want 100 place value. For 100 place value, I want to multiply 100 into, sorry, first I want 1000 value. So 1000. So see, that is 8. It is clear? What is the next step? Hundreds. 100, 100. Clear? 10, 12, 22. Next value will be tens. 10, 10. Yes? So it gives 15 plus 19. Yeah, okay. The next thing is 1. That will be 5. I think now it is clear to everyone. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, that is why I'm writing hundreds and tens like that. Then only you have to understand this pattern. I will take another examples also. So now see, now observe carefully. See, 100. Initial stage is very important to write. If you master the this pattern, then there is no need to write like 1,000, hundreds and tens and ones. There is no need to write it. Okay, it here ones. So see, 1,000 into 10 is 10,000. First I am writing 10,000 4. It is clear? 4. Next will be 1,000. 1,000. 1,000. It is clear? It is clear or not? Please tell me.
Yes, yes.
1,000.
Yes, sir.
100 into 10. 1,000. So my value will be 7 plus, sorry, 10 plus 6. That is 16. So next value will be 100 only. Yes. Next will be 100. See, 100. Sorry. This,
No.
sorry.
3 into 5.
100.
15,
100.
25.
15, 10, 25. So my next step is 10. See now, 10, 10. That is 25 plus 2, 27. And next will be 5. Are you getting my logic? I will take
Yes.
same example
Sir.
for 3 digit. इनिशियल स्टेज में वो लिखना चाहिए अपन 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Here now 100 and
10.
tens and ones. ठीक है. See, 3 zeros, 2 zeros. That is that is total lakh. Yes, for lakh. How much? 4. Clear? Now the next number is 10,000. See, 10,000, 10,000. Are you getting my point? 2 plus 6, 8. See, next step, see. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. No need to, buttify the pattern. So 10, 10, 20, 23. So what is the next step is? 1,000 is completed. Next one is 100. 100, 100, 100. So that is 15 plus 7. That is 22. Next will be 10. Yes. 10, 10, 26 I am getting. Finally 5. It is clear to everyone or not? Please tell me now.
Yes, sir.
There is no need to buttify the pattern. Just you focus on the place values. If you focus on the place value, automatically the pattern will be generated. Yes, are you getting my point, everybody?
Sir.
But initial stage, we have to practice for it. Initial stages. After you practicing, you mastering this, there is no need to write all the things. Yeah. Let me take another example. I'm not balancing here. Why? Because I'm not bothering about answer now. I want to know only pattern so far. So I will take the another example here. That for suppose 2, 3, 5, 2, 1, 3. Yeah. Let me take here not that much of number. It is very lengthy. I'm taking only here 3, 1, 2. So pattern, look at now pattern. Yeah, see. So what is the numbers here? First I want to write numbers. This is 1, tens, hundreds, thousands, next 10,000. Yeah. So this is the 100, this is the tens, and this is the ones. So observe carefully, listen my words. So 4 zeros and 2 zeros. Totally it is a 10 lakhs. Yes? Like no. 10 lakhs, 9. After then which lakh only? Yes? After then lakh. See. Lakh, lakh. Yes? Are you getting my point? So that is 15 plus 3, that is 18. After lakh, why? Which place value it is? Which place value? 10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
Look at now. 10,000. Yes. Observe carefully. 10,000. Yes. Next value will be 10,000. Yes. I don't know.
That will go to the units place. 3 will go to the units place.
Yes. That's why I'm here. Right? No, yes. Sorry. 10,000. 10,000. 10,000. So that is 6, 6, 12,
5.
5, 70. So what is the next value? 1,000. So for 1,000, you go 1,000. Yes? 1,000, 1,000. So that will be 5, 10. The next thing is hundreds only. 100 means this is the 3
I got
pattern. After then 2 pattern, after then 1 pattern. It is already known by us. It is clear or not?
I got the answer.
Yeah, good beta, shabash. आपको पैटर्न समझ में है, लेकिन every time we are not putting this type of numbers, that place values. So see, when 3 reaches to the 3, see, it will be reached the first position. Don't be confused. If you confused, don't follow this. After then 3 reaches to this value, then these 3 will be reached to 5. Are you getting my point? See now. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now my 3. Sorry ma'am, 1 minute.
इसको सर इसको डायग्राम के फॉर्म में भी हम ये लिख सकते हैं, जिससे और आसान हो जाएगा।
हाँ, वो भी लिख रहा, वो भी ट्राई कर रहा था मैंने। एक मिनट,
डायग्राम, बाकी कुछ मत लिखिए। डायग्राम दिया तो भी थोड़ा ध्यान में आ जाएगा, है ना, आसान हो जाएगा।
या ठीक, डेफिनेटली। Yeah. See now, A, B, C, D, E. So I'm taking X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, 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 X, Y, Z. Do you know how many times we have to write this pattern? It depends upon a number of digits in multiplicand and multiplier, in the total numbers. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 digits are there in multiplier and multiplicand. So you have to take it a union. 1 less than times you have to draw the pattern. Are you getting my point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 time I am writing. So this is applicable for everyone, not only for this type of problems. So total 8 digit I have. So I'm just taking 7 times. If it's 9 digit are there, then I want to draw 8 times. If it 4 digit are there, I have to draw 3 times. See now, see the first step it is, A going to x. Now a going to y, then x going to b. Now a going to z,
Z.
already x is touches, I mean multiplied with b. Now x multiplied with c,
C.
and the z will multiply with b. Are you getting my point? I will write it clearly. So x, y, z. See now. So a is going to the z. Yes. And b going to the y.
Y.
And x going to the c. It is clear now?
Yes.
Right. Already a reaches to the final position. Yes. So now b going to z, and c going to y, and x going to d. Are you getting my point?
Hmm.
X, Y, Z. Now C reaches to Z, and B into D, and it is C. These are the general pattern. It is already known by us. So up to we are getting difficulty up to this one only. You see, X, Y, X going to B, the next will be X. A going to Z, B going to Y, and C going to X. Are you observing pattern? B going to Z, C going to Y, and D going to X. Are you getting? It is clear?
Yes.
Everybody, it is clear or not? Please tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, 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 yes.
What about remaining?
It's clear.
Everyone answer it. Otherwise,
Clear.
clear है ना सबको? Yeah. Yeah.
Sir.
Thank you. Yeah. Let us see where we use this pattern in algebraic multiplications. In the algebraic multiplications, every time we are not getting same, linear into linear, quadric into quadric, and cubic into cubic expression they not gave. Suppose x square plus 3x plus 2 if they gave, I want to multiply with this linear expression. This type of multiplication sometimes they maybe gave. Yes? So observe carefully.
I don't
The same thing I'm using. C, x cube. So now z going to this one, and this will be going to this one. It is clear? So that will be 2 plus 3, that is 5x square. So already it is reached to this value. So there is no number left there after 2. So next will be this, and these two will be come to this. So that is 6 plus 2, that is 8x. Final step will be 4. Are you getting my point, everybody? Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
So see now, see, observe carefully. So now first step we already know, that is 3x power 5. Why? See, here 3 is there, here 2 is there, total 5. That's why I'm writing 5. So now see, this x cube going to the x, and these two will be x square will be x square. So that gives 6 minus 2, that is 4x power 4. It is clear? Now see, x cube going to the 1, and this going to the this value, and it will be the this value. It is clear?
Yes.
ये वैल्यू इससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा ना, तभी ये वैल्यू क्या करता है, इसके राइट डायरेक्शन में जाता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए. बात समझ में आ रही है आपको? नेक्स्ट ये वैल्यू राइट डायरेक्शन में जाएगा, तभी इससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा. बात क्लियर?
Yes.
So, yeah, I will draw it again. So observe carefully. इससे गुना कर रहा हूं मैं, तभी ये किससे गुना होगा? इस वैल्यू से. ये किससे गुना होगा? इस वैल्यू से. So 1 plus 9, that is 11. 11 minus 4, that will be 7x cube. So it is already reached here. You can observe. Yes. The next step will be this only. If you get the 3-digit 3 pattern, you are
Yeah.
already, yeah. So that is minus, speak in English. Yeah. Okay, yeah.
1 plus 9.
So that is minus,
So
it
it will
is
be
a,
6x cube.
yeah, okay. 6x square, I think so. Yeah.
It will be x squared term.
Yeah, x square it is.
2 plus 2.
So next value this only. So इसमें क्या आएगा 3 plus minus 1x and final will be 2. Are you getting everybody?
Yeah.
Everybody, please comment. If you might, yeah, please explain again. Yeah, definitely I will explain it. Yeah, observe carefully. So see, the first x cube going to here. See, going this direction, that is right to left direction, there is a no digit here up to now. Focus. Yeah. So first step this illness. So it's give me how much? 3x power 5. Fine. Yeah. See, now this x cube going to 2x minus 2x. But see, another value left here. So it multiply with this value. Are you getting my point? You have to go this direction. In this direction, you have to go this direction. Are you see the arrow? Are you getting my point? So that will be 2 minus 2 and it is a minus 6. That will be minus 8x power 4. Yes. So now this value multiplied with
Last time the answer
this
was
value.
changed here. It was not x power to 4. It was 4x power to 4. That's
The
why.
sign of 2 has changed. Last time it was
Yes.
plus and this time it is minus.
Yeah, maybe I think so.
Yeah, so it's
Yeah,
created.
yeah. When I'm erasing, maybe the place become I'm minus. I don't know. I not observe that. Yeah. So see, it is going to this value. So I'm the multiplicand value going in left to right, and multiplier value will be right to left combination. Yes. See, this value will be multiplied this direction, and this value multiply with this direction. It is clear or not? Please. Alekia Jan, ma'am, आपको clear हो रहा है क्या concept?
Yes.
Yes.
So
The Saturn value was not clear last time, so yeah, now it's clear.
no, it is clear.
Yeah,
So
it's
just
clear.
so just I want to discuss with you pattern only now.
Algebra, it's more easier.
Yes, very easy. Next will be 3 and next will be 2 and last will be 1. That's fine. That very easy combination. So it is clear to everyone?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yes.
Everybody, please.
Yes.
सब answer देना चाहिए.
So give us a sum to do on our own
Yeah, definitely I will give it.
so that we could know.
Yeah. So I will give 2 or 3 types examples. In the numbers also I will give 3 to 1 into 3 to. Simple examples I will give. 2 0 0 1 1 2 3. Small numbers. Yeah. So x square plus 3x minus 1 multiplied with x plus 2. The next thing is x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 1. This value multiplied with x minus 2. Come on, try these 4 problems.
First one is 10272.
Yeah, I will check it. Compare with others answer, then we will decide your answer is correct or wrong. Yeah. So already here I given the pattern also. Okay. Check yourself you are following the same pattern or not. It is very important. Yeah.
Is the third one answer x cube plus 5x square minus 5x plus 1?
Sorry,
Plus
what is that?
5x,
What is
plus
that?
5x,
X.
plus 5x
Infinity.
minus 2.
Yeah,
Yeah. Minus 2.
that will be x cube. Yes.
Plus 5x square.
After then it is 5x square.
Hmm.
After then it is 6 minus 1. Again 5x I'm getting.
Yeah, plus 5x.
After then it is minus 2. See, you can observe now, I written the answer directly here without writing multiplier into multiplication into multiplier. Without writing also I am writing the answer directly in the single step. So when it is possible, when it is possible means you know the pattern very well, then you can do directly actually. See, I am multiplying with this value, first one. Yeah. See follow my logic. After then this going x square to this value, then this goes to this value. Are you getting my point? I will write it. I will write it. Yeah. It is a very wonderful thing. Why? Because we can solve the answer in single step here. So this value going to this value. Right. It's clear. The next step will be this value moves to the 2. Yeah. Then this value moves to this one. Are you getting my point? So we will discuss tomorrow. Don't bother about it. Okay. Tomorrow अपन discuss करेंगे.
Next one is x4 minus x cube plus 8x square minus.
Yeah, this will be the x power 4 and minus 2. It is minus 2 plus 1. Yeah, that is x power 3 and minus 6 minus 2. That is minus 8 x power square. So it will be the minus 4 and plus 1. So minus 3x. Are you getting the same?
Yes.
Yeah, see, you can see I am solving this problem in a single line. Yeah, that means pattern will be running in my mind. Why? Because I mastered the pattern. So tomorrow we will see, you practice at our home this type of patterns. If you master it, after then we will see how to solve in a single line. This will be tomorrow topic. Yeah. And maybe if there is a time is there tomorrow, we will discuss about this type of problems also. 12 into 23 into 34. Yeah, we are taking 3-digit combination. After then we will see this type also, 3 like these numbers. Are you getting my point? This is not a special case I am talking. This is a general method I am talking. Anybody know it? This type of problems, anybody?
Will it be in the same pattern of ones and twos?
No.
No, we will do it in a single, step. That means first we have to multiply these two, after then what is the results come for this, and again this, not like that. We will do it at a time. Anybody know it in the class? Anybody?
No, we don't.
No, yes, this is very super. जो मजा आएगा कल अपन को. For example, 12 into 23 into 34 is there. Yeah, into. So first value will be, I will do it from here. That will be 24. Yeah. Next value will be 12. And next will be the 16. And the finally I'm getting here 4, 8. And after then 2, 4, 8 and 9 and 16. So I'm getting here 33, and it will be the 9. So my final answer 3984. Are you getting my point? Yes, I'm writing the answer directly. It is interesting or not?
Yeah, it is interesting.
Yeah. So we will see this type also, this type. But the thing is, we have to know place values. Without place values, you can't do it. जब भी अपन को प्लेस वैल्यू माइंड में आते ना तभी पता चलेगा. क्यों मालूम? See, once it is a tens, it is a unit. Yeah. So first unit place, unit into unit into unit, it's give unit place value. Next value will be tens place. See, tens place I'm talking. Unit into unit into 10. Yes, unit into unit is 10. And unit into unit into 10, it's give 10. Unit into unit and 10, it gives tens place value. After then it is will be changed like this. 10 into 10 into unit 100. Yes, 10 into 10 into unit 100. 10 into 10 into unit 100. The final will be 1000 place value. So that is why I said place values are very important. So we will discuss tomorrow. Don't bother it. Yeah. Thank you. Any suggestion? What is your how you feel today? कोई नया चीज सीखा है क्या आज?
Yes, a lot.
Altogether, it's good.
Yeah.
Multiplication 5 digit by 5 digit and 5 digit by 4 digit. It's new to me.
Okay, yeah. So you can generate yourself now, I think. Just you
Yes.
take around half an hour, you can generate any pattern. Yeah. Next, Jayaprakash sir, what about you? How do you feel today's
These
class?
algebraic expressions was very easy. I
Yeah.
didn't know about those things.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
I felt very
Nita
happy
ma'am?
about this session.
Yeah.
Same, sir. Algebra is something new for me.
Oh, really? Thank you. Yeah. What about
Pattern-
Priyanka ma'am? Yeah, yeah. Come on, yeah. Yes. Tell me.
Something new to me. I've never tried it, and I feel algebra is more easier than the numbers.
Yes, why? Because number have place value there, carrying
Yeah.
part is there, so many confusion maybe we are erasing in every step. Yeah.
No, sir, tomorrow make us do those things in a single line, algebra wala.
Yeah, we will do it. We will do it definitely, ma'am. Yeah, we will. But you have to master the pattern. Then only I will make it easy. Otherwise, it's difficult to me also. Yeah.
You know, sir, what I have seen is the basic funda is you have to get 1000. How many ever numbers you multiply, you get 1000. First thing you have to get 1000. Then it's 100. Then it's tens. Then it's
Yeah.
units.
Yeah.
So the pattern that you are saying, you know, it comes over a period of time.
Yeah.
Because every time that, you know, even I'm doing it, I have to write like 1000, 100, 10, 1. Every time. And in algebra, you don't have to do that. It's getting more faster.
Yeah. Like in initial stage, it is very important for the place values to remember the pattern. Initial stage is only initial. After then, you can write directly also pattern. Yeah, thank you.
Generally, we used to precede the numbers with a 0. Like if there are 4 numbers multiplied by 3 digits,
Yeah.
we used to precede that 3 digit with a 0.
When you are taking 0, again it is goes into multiplier, multiplying counting same digit. One step will be increased, 1 or 2 steps. So it take much time when compared with you are doing directly. Yeah.
Sir,
Yes. Yeah. Come on, Vivo 1610. So how do you feel, Rajamani sir? I think so many workshops you attended ours. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Continuously last 1 month जो sir attend हो रहा है classes को.
Thank you very much. I only request, if it's okay, if you don't mind, that it can be not more than an hour and a quarter, so that the attention span can be retained. That is my suggestion. Because I have been a teacher myself,
Yeah.
and beyond a point, however interesting subject may be, the attention wanders. Kindly consider, but don't mistake me. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Ashish sir, you?
बढ़िया है सर, एकदम बहुत अच्छा था.
Thank you.
प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा इसका थोड़ा पैटर्न.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. अथर्वा लोहर जी.
सर
अथर्व, आपको कैसा लगा बेटा?
अच्छा लगा.
अच्छा लगा. Yeah, Sanapuri, how do you feel?
So it was good.
Yeah. Any new thing you learned today?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Sir, all.
All things. Okay. Rajkumar sir? I think he's not there. Yeah. So tomorrow we will meet in tomorrow class. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Any doubts you getting while practicing, please post in our group. Okay. It's better
You
to
found
us.
it interesting. Thank you very much.
Could you put in some sums in the group itself, which we could do it?
Yeah, definitely. I will send after 1 hour, not now.
That's okay. It's okay. But if you do send some sums, we'll practice it.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, kind of a worksheet.
Yeah, we will see
Yeah,
some
makes
more
sense.
interesting topics in multiplication tomorrow also. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Trigonometry also.
Sorry?
So trigonometry.
Yeah, trigonometry is we will discuss करेंगे, बाद में discuss करेंगे. अब नहीं, आप सीखने के लिए जरूरत नहीं है उसके. ठीक है. पहले बेसिक सीखेंगे, उसके बाद
Thank you, sir.
Sorry.
Hello.
Yeah.